Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can create responsive web app in Flutter. Here you can see that this is a desktop home which is the full screen of a laptop screen, and you can see that this is so desktop home on the screen with this. When we reduce it, we can see that it changes into tablet and automatically adapts to its size and change its width. Let's minimize it further. It will be automatically adjusted for the mobile screen size. Let's see how you can do it. Let's start. So this is our project. You can see just a simple main page. It's now just a main material page. Now let's implement the process. Let's enable the debug set mode to false. And now let's create a class which is used for the responsive purposes. Now create a stateless widget. Name it responsive. Here I'll set the home page to responsive. Okay, now let's implement the functions. I'll remove that. So do you know how this works? Basically every device have its own screen width. For example, if we take mobile, the maximum mobile width is 500 or less than 500. For tablet it may be between 600 to 1024, and desktops are more than that. So with that we are going to get the user's screen width, and we are going to display our content accordingly to the mobile view, tablet, desktop view. Let's implement the functionality. First let's collect the user screen width. Final, I name the variable as final screen width equal to media query. The media query property will be used to get the user screen size. If you want a separate video on media query tutorial, ask in the comment section. I'll post that. Okay. If screen width is greater than 600, let's return mobile home. We'll create those pages later. This will be camel case identifier. Okay, else if we are here implementing tablet also, so let's get another else if screen width greater than 1024. Let's go with tablet home. Else let's go with desktop. Yeah, that's it. I think here some error. Yeah, I'll forget to add the n. Yeah, now let's create these pages. Under lib I'll create a folder called pages. Under folder let's create another 3 folders: mobile, tablet, desktop. Under this let's go one by one. First desktop, home dot let's create a stateless widget, name it desktop home. Desktop home. Okay, let's create another for mobile, home dot stl mobile home. Let's quit for tablet also, home dot stl tablet home. Now let's import these 3 in our main page. Okay, cool. Now let's build the UI for this. Now let's just test it how this works. I'll return a scaffold. Also let's do the same for those others. Yeah, I'll just copy this instead of typing. I'll copy. Let's go here, let's paste this, tablet. Let's do the same for desktop also. Now let's try running our app. While creating Flutter web apps, we need to create the functionalities or the page for 3 devices separately, for home, for tablet and for desktop. Let's wait for it completes. Yeah, you can see that it shows mobile home. The device width is less than 600, so let's make it a little large. Yeah, you can see automatically adjust to tablet home. Let's make it too larger. Yeah, you can see that automatically shows desktop home. Now let's add some colors. Background color for mobile, let's say gray. Also let's display the width. So to display the width, we need to use the same property we used here, media query. Let's copy that. Let's go to home page and let's define it under our build method, and let's add it here. On the screen width is, let's remove the const. Yeah, that's it. Let's do the others for tablet also. I'll paste that here. Let's add a background color. Colors dot what, let's go with black. And let's remove the const, and the screen width is screen width. Yeah, done. For desktop, let's just leave it white, and let's just display screen width. Yeah, we need to find the build. The screen width is screen width. Sorry, remove const. Yeah. Now let's see. You can say that the desktop width is showing, and let's see whether tablet color works or not. You can see that the text is here, but the black also will fix that. When we go to home page, you can see that it's working fine. Let's add some styling property here. Style, textile, colors dot white. When we make it, yeah, now it can be visible. So that's it. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. I'll add the repo link in the description. Also, I'll attach a blog post on how to do this. Thank you for watching.